Hello YouTubers, it's me, Mad Butterfly here, back for another video. And this time it's going to be an extra special video today, as we got this EasyJet Airbus A320-200, and it's in the 200th Airbus livery. So you can see it's got the stand. As you can see, it says easyjet.com. And it said Airbus A320 limited edition, and you can see that it says 200, and a little writing it said Airbus 200th Airbus livery. So this celebrated this was the 200th Airbus they had in their fleet at the time. But I was lucky enough 3 years ago to actually fly on this aircraft type, which was just incredible to go on. And this is the aircraft. As you can see, it's all orange. You can see a standard EasyJet tail fin and horizontal stabilizers, and the same with the engines. And the engines and the wings are the same as on all others. The only difference is this has a registration of Golf/Echo Zulu Uniform Indigo is the registration for this aircraft. And this used to do a lot of Gatwick to Europe routes back in the day. Like I flew on this one from London Gatwick to Las Palmas, that's in Gran Canaria. And I've been searching for this model for ages on eBay. Didn't have any luck. And I finally found this one on eBay. I think I paid about £50. I think I paid for this, which I think was a really great deal, as it's a great aircraft. And normally the writing would have been orange, and the whole body of it is supposed to be white, but because it's the special livery, that's why it's actually the other way around. Let me just compare it with my other A320 I've got. As you can see, I will do a full video on comparing these two. But first I want to say that they're both completely different. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos coming your way real soon. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.